Hi. Okay, Walmart haul. Let's see what Jiro got. Wow! Woohoo! Get Gio! Woohoo! What? Woo! Thanks, Daddy. Woohoo! Okay, Daddy, how are you? Do you want for your birthday, G? What do you want for your birthday? So Daddy is gonna do a TV mount. I'm gonna put it up there. This is it. Look, she's driving. Come on. Hi. Okay, Walmart haul. Let's see what Jiro got. Wow, what is that? Wow. No, not for that, Jens.
Next, knee band.
Woohoo! Knee pads and arm what's that? Protective gear. Let's see. Kali, wait.
Spider-Man shoe.
How do you like it, Gio? Da da da.
Spider-Man horn.
Woohoo! What? Oh.
I'm a hedgehog.
What? Be careful with the spikes, Jensen.
How many spikes are they? I don't know. You can
This
try
one. Got vinegar. Got two of these.
No one talks.
Got two of these. It's good to put some sugar, brown sugar and white sugar. Daddy got a TV mount. That's it. Oh no, I have some seeds. Never mind. I have a lot of seeds here. Woo! Thanks, Daddy. Woohoo!
This for Google. Okay, Google.
Shake, 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 shake.
How are you?
Okay, Daddy, how are you? He guessed it. $100. She won 80. You like the seeds? This is parsley. Cookies. Okay. Who?
You.
Me? I gave you that. Do you want for your birthday, G? What do you want for your birthday? What? Who should give it to you? Who? Who are you gonna ask? Who? What?
Mama doesn't like food. Oh, Mama.
Who?
Grandpa.
Why? There's no money?
No, you have to talk money.
Who told you? Hey guys! Today, Daddy, we're still starting to unpack, but everything is almost out of here. Less clothes, less boxes. So Daddy is gonna do a TV mount. We just had a TV originally here. Look how dusty it is. We're gonna put it up there.
Ew.
This is how it is.
That's the grossest thing I've ever seen.
Daddy had to unscrew this part. Daddy had to unscrew this part over here. Oh, Callie's all excited. We're just gonna put it away.
Oh, but it might fit this part.
It's gonna be up on the wall, Jess. Part of our wall still needs to be repaired over there. That's why it has the mudding over there to be painted.
That's the whole time.
So Daddy,
Stop fixing the TV.
Yeah, Gigi.
That'll be okay.
Yeah.
Still?
Can I see? Can I see?
And then, what does this do? Wow, it's that fast.
She wants to drink.
Now, never.
Oh my.
You tear up. Oh boy.
We're pretty solid?
Yeah, I can feel it too.
Oh my.
Daddy, Tiger, do you need help?
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Konting ano. Like. So it's all done. And I missed the part
Scary putting a hole.
because Kalia pooped. Change her
So
diaper.
scary putting a hole in the.
Here's to many more holes in the walls. It's just begun. It's moment of truth, moment of truth. Tapos nahulog dito, nag-crack yung TV.
Ay,
Nag-crack lang yung TV, no? For TV mount installations, contact my stud muffin.
just need the flat. Only the flat.
Woohoo!
It's gonna be a tie.
This is it. If it goes down, got no choice but to get another one. Later on, Jericho might get a 80-inch. Okay, so
We have to touch this thing first.
oh yeah. Oh shoot.
You know how
Gigi, get her.
See.
Trial number 2.
Too bad it's pretty light.
But I tried carrying it, it was heavy. I couldn't hold it up the wall. Here it goes.
There it goes again.
Hey! I got a piece of cardboard. Kelly. Girl, hey, Kelly girl.
Mommy, do we need to
Right, so
Let's try this.
third try. Dun, 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 dun.
Good try. Oh boy. I gotta do it.
Oh yes, just enough.
Good try.
Genius, Daddy. Genius. Good job. Good job with the stud muffin. Oh, look. Woohoo!
So guys, just playing the iPad. Say hi. And there's Daddy's butt.
With their look. You might have to video my back.
He always does. That's what, guys.
Oh,
We're testing out it.
Too high?
Oh, that's how it's supposed to be. Diba?
So, guys, let's try it out.
So, dapat lang ganito.
For first time. Oh yeah.
Ang sakto mo sa'yo yung like, Oh yeah.
Oh.
Sa TV.
it works.
Because we're far away from the camera.
Whoa. This one is the back
How do people hide it though?
So guys, under that like water. And now, guys, here's our cup holders.
Hindi pwede tawag ito kasi ano.
The Wi-Fi.
This is where you get the...
Oh, astig shelves here. Oh, that's a good. Look at Kelly out.
Oh,
Good job.
Dapat ata kinuha yung mag-take
so what are you playing?
It's more expensive, like...
The boss fight, there's
Like,
In case they didn't know there was levels.
pwede mo switch yung ano.
So guys, what is this talk?
Switch yung ganito eh.
So guys,
Is it fine to you guys? Neto, is it fine? Okay, is it fine to you guys?
yeah, that's
Nice. Very cool. Uy! Uy! Beauty mo.
yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
So, dapat pala ito iharap dito. Kasi dito.
Say hi, Daddy. Guys, say hi.
Siya pwede sa baba, sa floor? Huh?
Say hi, Mommy.
Here's the floor.
It's Daddy. Oh yeah.
Sure.
Does I have a title teaser? See, guys? Title teaser.
First, gawin mo na paraan.
Dear guys. Mommy too? Here, Mommy.
Hi. Oh, we're still taking a video? Thanks, Gio.